Started on the transmission 8:30 in the morning after getting tools ready. So essentially what I started with, hold on. Essentially what I started with was the usual air clean assembly, which taken out many times, easy. Battery tray, stupid tray won't come out, so whatever. I just had to pull up the tray just to get to that transmission ear mount, which I did successfully. Starter bolts 1 and 2. Starter bolts here. Starter bolts 1, 2. That's a lot of oil, I know. Rear main seal. Then there's a bolt to the trans case behind the starter. Right there, that would be your first bolt. The second one would be near the slave cylinder, 2, 3, and on the other side, slave cylinder, and the crank pulley down there. So it's about 4, 6 bolts, I guess, because you have to take off the starter. It's covering a bolt to the trans case. In the meantime, loosen up the trans mount, loosen up the motor mounts, PB blaster, to get to that motor mount all the way back there. It is a 17. Bong. It's about like 3 or 4 extensions. Take off the wheel. Yep. All the way up in there. That's where you'll see your motor mount when the wheel is off. Take off the hub. Unloosen this. Breaker bar. You swivel it out like that. Please use a jack. Bolts come off even easier. Box end wrench 19 and 17, opposite sides. Tap it through with a hammer on a nut or a screwdriver. Pull that half shaft out. Now we're ready for phase 2, which is shift linkage, the yoke, the trans bolts on the other side supporting the cross, or supporting the engine, dropping the cross member.